WWDC 2024, iOS 18 announced with home screen customization, enhanced privacy at Apple event. Being an Apple enthusiast, much of what you may have eagerly desired has been announced at the ongoing Apple event, Worldwide Developers Conference 2024. And if you own an iPhone, then brace for the biggest, latest iOS update, as Apple has eventually disclosed its iOS 18 for iPhones with a plethora of new features and functionalities, alongside a touch of improvement to those existing already by utilizing artificial intelligence. On the sidelines of an abundance of new features, the iOS 18 will also bring a margin of customization on home screen. With the slew of remarkable new features continuing to widen, the iOS 18 would also offer support for substantially improved control center features, along with support for controls from third-party apps, as highlighted during the continued Apple event. After observing its potential launch, the iOS 18 will also exploit of Apple's processors to offer new features, making them available on select eligible iPhone models later this year. As the Apple event is on the mill, spilling countless features and functionalities across its flagship products and services, stay tuned with GAD Insider to catch you up with what's gonna transform the way you use your iPhone. The latest iOS update is also bringing an enhanced sense of security with the help of solidified privacy features, including the ability to control how data is across applications, with the iOS 18 making iPhone users share only specific contacts with apps instead of granting a holistic access to their contact list. On top of it, it will also enable users to lock certain apps from their home screen to keep their devices secure from unauthorized users by making Enter Device Passcode.